In today's complex IT landscape, monitoring and actionable insight is everything. IT environments are under constant threat from cyberattacks, compliance risks, and operational interruptions. In a recent analyst survey, in the last year, over 94% of cyberattacks targeted an organization's backup. And the scary thing is almost half of those were successful in compromising recovery data. Yet these backup environments, your last line of defense for a ransomware attack, are often overlooked and unmonitored. Without integration between backup telemetry and primary security monitoring tools, IT teams struggle to detect and act on anomalies effectively, which can leave gaps in incident response. Splunk is the gold standard for security information and event management. With its ability to ingest, analyze, and visualize data from diverse sources in real time, Splunk allows organizations to monitor threats across their entire IT stack, correlate incidents for advanced threat detection, and streamline incident response workflows. Integrating your data sources into Splunk means moving from reactive firefighting to proactive incident management. The Druva and Splunk integration fills critical gaps in IT monitoring. Druva, as a SaaS-based solution, ensures backup and recovery telemetry is securely ingested into Splunk for real-time analysis. Installation is simple. From the Splunk marketplace, search for Druva. There are two plugins, the Druva app for Splunk, which displays all the operational and security information gathered, and the Druva Add-on app, which is used to connect and configure Splunk to ingest the correct information. Backup events like unusual data activity, failed logins, and restore anomalies become part of your broader security ecosystem. Correlate backup anomalies with other security logs to uncover hidden risks, such as a ransomware attack targeting backup data. Ingest backup telemetry data into Splunk, enriching your SIEM ecosystem for comprehensive threat monitoring. Automate the identification and escalation of backup-related threats for faster response times. Support regulatory compliance by providing visibility and reporting for backup events. Enhance your cyber resilience by strengthening the protection against data loss, ransomware, and other threats targeting backup systems. Stay ahead of your threats. Empower your IT teams with Druva and Splunk to turn your backup telemetry into actionable insights. Visit druva.com to learn more and get started.